my channel. Hello fellas, welcome. My name is V. Today we are going to learn about a relationship terms. So, without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? Keluarga, kerabat, teman-teman, para sahabat. Okay, to the point now. Love, relationship, hubungan cinta. When you think you like someone, you have a crush on them. You can say in Indo, aku naksir dia. I have a crush on her or him. As a verb, you say naksir. As a noun, you say gebetan. She is my crush. Dia gebetan gue. Dia gebetan gue. Oh yeah, gue is a slang form for me. When you say gebetan, it's kind of weird to put it together with aku or saya in a sentence because gebetan is also a slang word. If only you prefer to be more poetic, you could say falling in love, which means jatuh cinta. Jatuh cinta. Aku jatuh cinta kepada dirinya. I'm falling in love to him or her. Love itself has meanings in Indo. You can call it cinta, asmara, kasih sayang. Oh sorry, kasih sayang is affection. But if you just say sayang, yes, that is love. Anyway, the activity that you are trying to do to get her, it's called PDKT. Actually, it is PDKT. Pendekatan. Getting closer together. When you notice a green flag from her, it's called lampu hijau. We don't use the word bendera, but lamp. Well, but the point is still the same. And lampu merah is for red flag. And when you think it is the right time, you will do a confession. Confession. In slang language in Indonesia, you call it nembak. It means shot. Bang, bang. Hey, you know what? In Indo, you wouldn't say bang. You say dot, dot. And then, when she accepts you, she will become your girlfriend, won't she? Now, a girlfriend or boyfriend is called pacar. Even you don't have to emphasize the gender. So, pacar is for girlfriend or boyfriend. Or if you prefer poetic words like a lover or a partner, we also have terms for it. Kekasih, kekasih, pasangan, pasangan, belahan jiwa, belahan jiwa, belahan jiwa. I know the translation is kind of weird. Jodoh, tulang rusuk. Oh, this one is really touching and really romantic, you know. Rape. For those who don't really know the history behind it, we believe that the first woman on the earth was born from a man. Actually, she was not born. It was just God took Adam's rib to create Eve or Hawa. So basically, the first woman was created from man's rib. And then from that story, we make the symbol of soulmate by rib. Therefore, only men who could say, "You are my rib." Kamulah tulang rusukku. Kamulah tulang rusukku. And the woman would say, "I am your rib. Akulah tulang rusukmu." Gitu ceritanya. And now you both are dating. Kalian berdua pacaran. Cie. That is actually an interjection which I haven't found the equivalent yet in English. I mean, the interjection, "oh," it's not really represent how happy we are when we say "cie." You know, it's not always to make the couple happy. Sometimes we also use it to make them shy or a little bit insecure in the cute way. Just compare the intonation, alright? In English, you say "oh" when you say something romantic of your friends, right? In Indo, you say "cie." It's more cheerful and fun. That makes your friends feel awkward in the cute way. They would be shy and speechless. Also feel more happy to hear it. Well, especially a confession is always an interesting thing to talk about. Anyway, guys, do you want me to teach you how to do a confession to Indo girl? Not today. One step closer. After you guys are dating, you would go to the next step, wouldn't you? Pertunangan. Pertunangan. Your girlfriend or boyfriend now become your fiancé. Pacarmu sekarang berubah menjadi tunanganmu. Aci. Tunangan for fiancé. And then finally you guys get married. Kalian berdua menikah. Pernikahan. We have two terms for this. Pernikahan dan perkawinan. But personally, I dislike the term kawin. It feels like a bad connotation to hear. You can name kawin for animals because they don't get married. You know what I mean, no? So nikah is related to the papers, and kawin is related to something physical. And for husband is suami. Suami. And wife istri. Istri. Suami istri. In English, we know the term spouse. We don't have it here. It's just pasangan suami istri. Spouse. Pasangan suami istri. Now, in Indo, usually we ask another Indonesians about already or not yet related to marriage. So we would ask, "Have you married already?" instead of "Are you married?" Kamu sudah menikah? Kamu sudah menikah? Kamu sudah menikah belum? Kamu sudah menikah belum? Okay, if only everything doesn't go well, so that before marriage you guys break up, it's called putus, putus. Meanwhile, divorced is cerai, cerai, perceraian, divorcement. And the person that you become your ex now, it's called mantan, mantan, mantan istri, mantan pacar, ex-wife, ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend. Well, I think that's enough for a relationship. It's getting sad now. Well, I'll see you next time. With always full of love regards, Free stops chattering.